I'm Jeff Chamberlain. I'm the director of the Argonne Collaborative Center for Energy Storage Science. If you have an idea for a new material in your garage or in your laboratory, or you have an idea for a new manufacturing process, whether you're in a large company or in a small company and you're thinking entrepreneurially about how to impact the world and how to impact this market, the purpose of developing the center that we call Access, the Argonne Collaborative Center for Energy Storage Science, is to serve as a portal to you so you can enter the lab and we can understand and listen to your problem and identify the resources you might require to help you solve your problem. Today, the lithium-ion battery market is worth around $16 billion, and less than 5% of that technology is manufactured in the United States. So when we see what is going to happen in the near future, which is a blossoming of the market for transportation and an even greater blossoming of the market on the grid, is that market will balloon from $16 billion to, many economists predict, somewhere in between a $30 and $80 billion per annum market. So if we have the right kind of breakthrough that involves materials science and involves some small-scale engineering like we do at Argonne National Laboratory, then we can enable the market to blossom, but simultaneously open the opportunity for American businesses to capture some of that market. And this is part of the purpose of creating the center at Argonne that we call Access. We tie together a wide variety of capabilities in the laboratory so that we can enable industry either to adopt new materials that are developed at places like Argonne or enable new manufacturing processes for their existing technology. Argonne not only performs the basic discovery materials research and use great user facilities like the Advanced Photon Source and the supercomputer, the Mira that we have here, but we've coupled that with building other capabilities like the ability to test every known battery system on the planet for the end user, like the ability to take apart a battery in a controlled environment and measure down to the molecular level what's happened physically and chemically to those materials during the use and abuse of those batteries. So when you look at our capabilities at Argonne, they range from core phenomenological studies all the way up to early scaling processes so that we can translate those discoveries to industry. But the biggest impact is found when technology is developed that's useful for society, changes people's lives, but also creates jobs. So part of the reason we created Access was to more readily be able to work with industry so that they can develop their technological products that then have impact in society.